At Barloworld Equipment, we recognize that our customers' success hinges on the reliability and performance of their machinery. That's why we're dedicated to supporting them throughout the entire life cycle of their machines. The customer journey begins with their initial inquiry, whether online or at one of our dealerships. We're here to guide them by understanding their specific needs and recommending the most suitable equipment. To ensure a smooth ownership process, we highlight our flexible financing options, including CAT finance and our in-house finance desk. All Caterpillar machines come fitted with standard telemetry devices that require a basic subscription and are activated as part of our pre-delivery inspection process. This is a key enabler for our digitally enabled customer experience. A connected asset unlocks value for customers, all in the palm of their hand. The customer onboarding process is crucial for establishing a successful partnership. We ensure customers are comfortable with our digital tools, demonstrating how parts.cat.com streamlines parts procurement. VisionLink and MindStar provide real-time data for machine health management, and CAT Inspect aids with machine diagnostics. This empowers customers to run their operations more efficiently. Machine delivery marks the start of our ongoing support. Our connected suite delivers tangible benefits. Through apps like VisionLink and MindStar, customers gain instant, actionable insights into machine performance. They can monitor fuel consumption to reduce costs, track location for improved logistics, and analyze machine health to proactively prevent downtime. CAT Inspect complements this by providing easy access to fault codes and inspection histories, all designed to maximize uptime. Alongside these tools, our condition monitoring analysts offer expert analysis and proactive recommendations to maintain smooth operations. Barloworld offers various options to extend the life of your machine through total machine rebuilds or levels of component repairs, depending on customer ownership philosophy. The Barloworld Rebuild Center is one of only a handful of Caterpillar-certified component rebuild centers globally. Here, components are given a new life and reset to 0 hours. By providing comprehensive repairs and rebuilds that adhere strictly to Caterpillar specifications, we reset the machine's life with the warranty equivalent to a new or CAT rebuilt unit. With our always stocked components inventory, we deliver these high-quality repairs and rebuilds while offering off-the-shelf availability to prevent prolonged downtime. When it's time to retire a machine, we offer a straightforward trade-back service. The machine then joins our quality used equipment market, ready to continue its working life with a new owner. By mastering each stage of the machine lifecycle, we empower our customers and reinforce our position as industry leaders. Our commitment to exceptional customer service drives us to continuously learn, collaborate, and deliver outstanding value.